It's tax season and it's time to start preparing your taxes. If you're thinking about filing your taxes independently, there are many online tax filing softwares available. So which is right for you? This video is going to provide an overview of the top tax filing softwares for do-it-yourself tax filing. First up, perhaps the most popular software is TurboTax. TurboTax is easy to use, has lots of services from do-it-yourself, assisted, and full service options. TurboTax does have a free edition, but it's only for simple returns, Form 1040 returns only. Only about 37% of taxpayers qualify. TurboTax pricing ranges from free for the simple returns to the mid-100s for DIY, federal, and state taxes, 80 to 200 plus for assisted, and between the mid-100s to over $300 for full service options. The price ranges are based on the complexities of the return, such as investments, business ownership, etc. With TurboTax, you pay at the end, so you can input your info to see if it is right for you. Overall, TurboTax has 100% accuracy, maximum refund guarantee, has many services and features, but is definitely more costly than some of the other services. Next up is H&R Block's online filing. H&R Block is another popular tax company. H&R offers a free filing option for simple returns, just as TurboTax does. It has great live chat and an AI assist feature. H&R Block is also simple to use. It has a step-by-step guidance, and you only pay once you file. In addition, H&R Block has lots of brick-and-mortar locations for in-person assistance. The pricing for H&R goes from free for simple returns and from 70 plus to over 100 with self-employed business option filing. This is for both federal and state filings. Third on the list is TaxSlayer. TaxSlayer is a more affordable option. Like the others mentioned, TaxSlayer has free filing for simple returns, and all other tax situations begin at $22.95, with state being an additional $39.95. If you use the self-employed option, it is $53 plus the additional $39.95. TaxSlayer is a great, user-friendly, inexpensive option, but it does have less services than the previous. For example, the free filing has a $100,000 cap and doesn't allow you to claim your dependents. Also, the live chat feature is only available for the higher priced plans. Next up is TaxAct. TaxAct is another great option with accuracy guaranteed, which covers up to $100,000 in legal fees if applicable. All plans come with live support, and it is more affordable than some of the other companies. Like the previously mentioned, TaxAct has free simple return filing. It has a deluxe, a premier, and a self-employed option. Deluxe starts roughly at $70 and self-employed is $100 plus. Now again, all of these softwares, depending on the complexity, the prices will fluctuate. Overall, TaxAct is another great middle-of-the-road option. If you're looking for a cheaper option, Cash App Taxes prides itself on being completely free. Now, Cash App is more of you independently doing your taxes, doing your own research. It does not offer live support. It doesn't have the features of the previously mentioned software companies. Most information has to be input manually, and you cannot file returns from multiple states. But if you're looking for a cheap option, definitely check out Cash App Taxes.
Jackson Hewitt Tax Services are also an option. Jackson Hewitt Tax Services currently have a $25 filing option for online taxes. That includes the basic and simple all the way through more complex returns, and that is $25 flat. It's rated best for filing state taxes according to CNBC. There are some negatives. It does not have a free filing option for simple returns, and there is no mobile filing app. It does have free live support, maximum refund guarantees. This definitely is a great economically friendly option. All right, some key takeaways. Filing online is not as daunting as it seems. You can save money. You can file at your own convenient time. Not all returns are the same, so definitely determine whether you have a more complex return or a simple return before choosing the software.
So overall, those are not all the tax filing softwares, but those are some of the more popular ones that you might want to look into first. I hope you found this video informative to help alleviate some stress with filing your taxes. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.